Hello everybody, this was captured on the 4th of July weekend. I was driving on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail in the National Park of Great Smoky Mountain, Tennessee. I was lucky enough to saw him while I was driving on the scenic road. This was my first time seeing a wild black bear in my life. He was pretty calm and chill, just looking for food on the side of the road. And as you guys can see on his ear, he has two tags. So I talked to the park ranger afterwards. They told me this bear was in trouble before. He was either chasing people for food or went to somebody's house. I'm not too sure about the details. But next time if you see a bear like this, just open your arms and shout out, "Bye bear, hi bear." He will run away if they were being properly trained. So they will trigger something to make them to stay away from human. So guys, please don't feed any wild bears because they will follow you and ask for more food. At the end, somebody will get hurt. Just like in Florida, there's a saying, fat gator is a dead gator. In the Smoky Mountain, a fat bear is a dead bear. So guys, please keep your food away and protect our animals.